Hi everyone, welcome to Brand Story by After Office Talks. In this series, we are gonna cover and showcase some of the interesting insights about popular brands. The brand that we are covering in our first episode is Viva. To know about this brand, go check out this report.
Let me take you all to the history of this brand. Viva was founded by Viraj Behel in 2013. Viraj's father, Rajiv Behel, was owner of Fun Foods founded in 1983. Prior to joining family business, Viraj worked as a marine engineer for a couple of years. Father and son duo Rajiv and Viraj Behel sold their company Fun Foods to German firm Dr. Oetker in 2008. Post the deal, they entered a non-compete clause for a period of 5 years. This is when, in 2009, Viraj started a chain of restaurants in Gurugram, Delhi, which didn't make money. When all the 6 restaurants were doing badly, Viraj had to take a difficult call of shutting them all down by the end of 2012. In 2013, he founded Viva, named after his mother, to provide sauces to quick service restaurants in the B2B segment with a capital of approximately 25 crores. Started production by acquiring assets of a pharma company in order to expedite the product manufacturing. While Viraj was initially targeting B2C but couldn't achieve any sales, in order to achieve the volume of sales, the company jumped into B2B segment. He targeted QSR chains in order to get his first deal, started visiting their offices almost daily and sat there for hours doing nothing. After clearing all the quality checks, Domino's was the first client that approved Viva for its new product launch. After Domino's came Burger King, which launched its PK Whopper in association with Viva. This was first of its kind of partnership by any such brand. 2015 was a big move for Viva. Viva entered the retail segment with a range of 18 one-of-its-kind products and soon became a common household name. Viva's USP became sauces with lower fat content, be it fat-free mayo or chipotle sauce. 2017, the Viva launched its second range of 19 retail products called Viva Favorites, with different kind of mayonnaise sandwich spreads, dips and Italian sauces. Viraj also realized that there are no healthy milk-based drinks available in the market. He noted that everything was laced with the artificial flavors. This is when he decided to venture into the kids segment. It took him 2 years to complete the R&D for the product. In 2019, the brand V Nourish made a splash in the IPL finals with no other than Bollywood actor Shah Rukh Khan being its brand ambassador. This brand is certified by Indian Nutrition Academy and is reaching out to doctors in most part of the country to spread the word. Viva is not only onboarding new clients in B2B but also innovating for B2C customers. Viva recently launched a new segment, Viva Chef, providing a wide range of ready-to-cook restaurant-style gravies and curries.
Wow, they have, I think, partnered with most of the quick service restaurant brands in India, and I believe many of us who had turned chef at the time of lockdown must have used Viva products extensively. So here's wishing Viva, Viraj Behel and the whole team a lot of success in the coming years. Keep innovating, keep researching, keep bringing healthy and tasty products to us. Thank you.